Hello there. If you are a business owner or manage a property in the bustling market town of Yeovil, you already know how important it is to keep your premises safe. From the busy shops on the high street to the industrial hubs and commercial centres across South Somerset, security is always a top priority. That is where we can help. I am here to introduce you to HVP Security Shutters, your local West Country experts in professional, high-quality security roller shutters and folding grills. Even though we work nationwide today, our roots are firmly in the southwest. With over 30 years of experience and our main manufacturing base just down the road in Exeter, we are constantly in and around Yeovil. Because we are so local, we can offer incredibly fast response times for installations and maintenance, along with some of the most competitive prices in Somerset. One of the key things we pride ourselves on is our ability to think along with you and find the perfect custom-made solution for your property. When you want to add extra security, we look at the specific circumstances and the aesthetic of your building. Sometimes, a heavy-duty roller shutter fitted to the outside is the ideal choice. In other situations, fitting the shutter on the inside is much better for maintaining the look of your shopfront while achieving the high level of security you need. In fact, you may have already seen our work right here in Yeovil's High Street at the Nationwide Building Society. They faced a persistent issue with their deeply recessed entrance. But because of the doorway's height, a traditional roller shutter wasn't possible due to a lack of headroom. To solve this, we installed our barricade collapsible gate with a custom hinged-aside stacking area. In a classic black finish, this gate stopped after-hours access completely, while keeping the entrance looking completely open and welcoming during business hours. Whether you need commercial shopfront shutters, reception desk grills, secure office shutters, handcrafted real timber roller shutters, or heavy-duty industrial warehouse doors, we have a custom product to suit. Our solutions can be fully automated with electric operation or manually operated, depending on your site requirements. We also offer certified fire-resisting shutters and high-performance sectional doors. When you partner with HVP, you are working with a certified, trusted installer. We are fully accredited members of the DHF ISO 9001 certified and a Constructionline Gold supplier. We are entirely health and safety conscious and are here for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week with our emergency repair service. If you have an upcoming project in Yeovil or surrounding areas in South Somerset, we would love to help you protect your investment. We are always happy to meet you on site for professional advice, or we can provide you with a quick, free, no-obligation quote. Give our local Yeovil team a call on 01935639115 or drop us an email at info@hvpshutters.co.uk. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to securing your business.